Today's topic is 8086 addressing modes. So what is addressing mode? The different way the processor can access the data is called as the addressing mode. Means the way in which operand is specified is called the addressing mode. So there are various addressing mode. First addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. So in this the data that is either 8-bit or 16-bit is specified into the instruction. Okay, so the example is move BL comma 55H. So what is this 55? It is a immediate data and it is stored into the 8-bit register because the data is 8-bit. Like this, move AX comma 5000H. So this is the immediate data and that is moved into the AX register. As it is a 16-bit data, the 16-bit register is used to store the data. So in immediate addressing mode, data is directly specified into the instruction. It may be a 8-bit data or 16-bit data. Second addressing mode is register addressing mode. So in this, both source and destination are the 8086 registers. There are various registers in the 8086. So the source and destinations are the registers of the 8086. For example, move CX comma AX. So these both are the 8086 registers. Move AL comma BL. So here both are the 8086 registers. See here, both registers are 16-bit. Here both registers are 8-bit. Okay, means if the source is 16-bit, then the destination is also 16-bit. If source is 8-bit, then the destination is also 8-bit. Then DEC, CL, INC, CX, this is also the register in the register addressing mode because it uses the 8086 registers. Next is direct addressing mode. So in this, the 16-bit effective address is given into the instruction. For example, move AX comma 5000H. See here, it is the address is specified into the square bracket. It is in the square bracket means it is the address of the memory location. So in direct addressing mode, 16-bit effective address of the memory location is specified into the instruction. So that is the direct addressing mode. Next is register indirect addressing mode. So here, instead of specifying the address into the instruction, this address is stored into the register. So the register used is base register. It may be BX or BP, or index register. So it may be SI or DI. Okay, so the address of the memory location is stored into the register. That is why it is called as the register indirect addressing mode. See here, the example is move CL comma BX. So the address, like here, the address is specified into the instruction. So in register indirect addressing mode, this address is stored into the register and this register is specified into the instruction. So that is called as the register indirect addressing mode. Then next is based addressing mode. So in this, the effective address is the sum of one base register or 8-bit or 16-bit displacement. So the example of this is move CL comma BX plus 3. So the effective address is the addition of 8-bit or 16-bit address, that is called as the displacement, plus base address. So the base register may be a BX or BP. Okay. Then next is index addressing mode. So in this index addressing mode, the effective address is the sum of one index register. So index register may be SI or DY on 8-bit and 16-bit displacement. Index registers are source index and destination index register. So here the effective address is the addition of 8-bit or 16-bit displacement and one of the index register. So the example is move 42 plus, here move 42 plus SI, comma DL. So this moves the contents of the DL to the memory location whose effective address is the addition of 42 plus SI. Okay, so this is the indexed addressing mode. Next addressing mode is explained in the next video.